don't know why I bother sometimes, to be honest. I used this Adam Savage method of drying off my paints from my model kit. I was just painting the underside of this Space Shuttle. I put it in a box with a hairdryer, and of course it's warped all of the plastic. Look at the tail fin there. The wing is all warped, and mainly all of this around here is all warped. So don't use the Adam Savage method of drying the paint, the acrylic paint on your model kits, because they'll just get knackered.